Hi, Central Parents. I am going to show you today how to navigate our website. So if you go to centralunified.org, you will see that right now we immediately have this pop-up alert and it's on our Fall 2020 Hub page. If you haven't seen it, what you want to do is click on Read Full Story. If you have already seen it, you can click OK or Don't Show Again. But let me go through some of the other basics of our website. At the top, we have these social media icons. We have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Parent Square, and Peachjar. So all of these go to our district connected social media, and this goes to an easy Parent Square sign in if you want to find that on your computer or on your phone. And then Peachjar is one of our outlets where we have a lot of different flyers that show you flyers from throughout the district, as well as flyers that are submitted by community organizations. So let's go back to our site. The other thing I want to show you is the search box here. If you were to click on that, it takes you to a search. So if you were looking for transcripts, it would show you where it's located here on the site. And you would click on that and it shows you exactly where you need to go. All right, so let's go back to the home page. And then the other things, we have this Google Translate feature. If you needed to translate this website in another language like Spanish, it does that for you. The translation should be about 95% correct. All right, let me go back to our English translation. So a couple of highlights for parents. This is one of the most important drop-down menu features that you need to know about. This has all of the different connections that we need for parents, including Parent Square. And this will take you to a page that has how to log in. It has information about how Parent Square works, even troubleshooting. If you have some issues with logging into Parent Square, it will tell you how to go into your parent portal and fix some of the data that we have on you. And then you'll see up here that we have some video resources on Parent Square. We also have the same page in Spanish and in Punjabi. Under Parents, we also have Parent Portal, which opens up to a whole new page, and you'll see here that this is how you can log into your Parent Portal if you do need to do any type of data confirmation or change information about your students. Okay, let's go back to this home page. We also have one other piece of information here called the Fall 2020 Hub. This page has everything related to our fall opening. We also have it located under distance learning, and I'm going to click on this just so you can see what the page offers. So we have here the video on our return to fall. We also have these flyers that we've been sharing with you on our social media and through Parent Square. We have them translated in different languages. We also have a parent frequently asked questions in the different languages, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So for the English version, you'll see that we have right here all the different questions that we have had asked of us throughout the district, and we've added some answers on the right-hand side. So you should be able to find many of your answers to the questions that you've been able to bring before us. All right, and then one other thing about the Fall 2020 page is that we have some links for COVID-19 resources and news updates. This right here will take you to a page and it talks about the COVID-19 impact at Central Unified. It has a lot of our press releases, links to other organizations so that you know what's happening with the local COVID-19 count and spread, as well as other information. And then this other page that's very important is meal services and community resources. This shows you some of the links to our local community organizations with whom we partner to help our families. And within a week before school starts, we will have right here a flyer that will show what the meal schedule will look like. That is something we're working on right now. Okay, so let me go back to our homepage. You'll see here that we have a lot of quick links that allows you to get to some of our different pieces of information throughout the district very quickly. Our calendar of events, this is for the district. If you go to your school website, the calendar will reflect their events. And then the news, these are some of our important pieces of information. This is at the district site. If you were to go to your school site, it would have very important information related to that school, which I will show you an example of in a second. And then you'll see we have our either superintendent or principal here, our air quality widget, a little video, and our social hub. And at the very bottom is some basic information about that particular site. So I'm going to show you really quickly what Central High School, as an example, looks like. So they also have a pop-up alert. They have slightly different drop-down menus that's related to that school. And you'll see that they also have some similar quick links. Their calendar of information is more suited for that site. And the same thing with their news. So please, when you get a chance, please go to your district as well as school website and just explore so you can see what type of drop-down menus we have. And it's a very useful tool to use in addition to your parent square. We hope this is helpful to you, and we look forward to working with you and all of your students for this fall.